Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle dressed up as an SS car. It's got a big block 396 under the hood with front power disc brakes, power steering, and beautiful set of rally wheels with Cobra TA tires. Nice chrome throughout the car, guys. Nice glass, nice weather stripping. The white stripe obviously is something that came on these Chevelles in 1969. Not an excellent car, not a show-winning car, but a very good driver quality Chevelle with excellent stance, real nice body panels on the car. Dual exhaust, as you can see. I mean, it's straight all around the car. So I'm going to do just a quick walk around and I'll move in a little bit closer, and we'll be going for a test drive as well. So the car does have a couple little touch-ups that's on the car. I'll show you. But here a little bit closer to look into the grille. The car has not been wet sand and buffed out yet, which we are going to do tomorrow, and this thing's going to pop really nice. I also am going to install kick panel speakers with a Bluetooth radio that goes in the factory settings in the dash. Let's check out under the hood really quick. I'm going to put the phone down for a second. All right, as you can see, it's got the SS hood with the louvers. Here's your big block. The motor has been yanked out of the car and gone through with all the gaskets. As you can see, it's freshly painted as well. Chrome valve covers, chrome air filter. It's got a Edelbrok 4-barrel carburetor dialed in perfectly with the electric choke as well. Factory air conditioning car. It needs a few parts for the air conditioning for that to be functional, and right now it's not. Okay, brand new alternator, as you can see. Battery's in great shape from 2021. Huge fan in the front. No overheating issues. There's your power booster master cylinder for your front disc brakes. A-arms are stock and the bushings look pretty good. Power steering and upgraded with a set of headers. Hoses look great all around as well. Let me check out, let me show you guys the trunk area really quick and share that information with you. Trunk is solid. We didn't do anything to it. Just wanted to show you everything is solid. You got your spare tire here. Weather stripping looks good. Factory stampings right there from GM saying that this is a factory rear quarter panel. On this side, this quarter panel has been fully replaced, but you know what? They did a beautiful job on that quarter panel. All right. Underneath is clean. You can see that in my photos. Let me just do a little quick walk around here. Very straight car. Gaps look good. All right, let's check out the door jambs really quick. I'm getting new door handles. Those are on order. As you can see, the lips here on the door are factory SS door panels. Nice body by Fisher door sill plates. Very clean on the door jambs as well. Back seat all intact with the seat belts, package tray, and the dome light does function. And there's your bucket seat center console car with a nice dash pad. Okay, let me mount this camera here, take you guys for a little test drive. Let me shut the hood and I will be right back. All right, so everything on my car, let me go over the list. So, I talked to you about the stereo system. Headlights function, turn signals work, brake lights work. Wipers are waiting for a little part to come in to fix that. We're adding the radio. I'm gonna fix the horn. It's got posi in the back. We're gonna make sure the speedo and the RPM tech and the fuel gauge functions, and the new triple gauge package for the gauges here all do function. Let's see here, a couple little touch-ups that we're gonna do as well on the Chevelle. Let's go for a little ride. The 4-speed manual trans, clutch feels good on the car. The Hurst Shifter shifts fine. Brakes, the car on the power disc brakes very well. It doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right when you brake as well. Let's make a right-hand turn here. Yeah, this car doesn't make any weird noises going down the road, hitting bumps. Shifts first, second, third, real nice and easy. Straight down the road, guys. So if you guys need financing, if your credit score is between 600 and 740, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application. Rates are between 5-6% with 10% down. No prepayment penalty, okay? For those of you who have a credit score of 750 and higher, no money down options are available. Rates are like 3 to 4, maybe 5% there. No money down option, no prepayment penalty. You can fill out that credit application if your credit score is a 750 or higher at lightstream.com. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, guys. My name's Thomas. I'm here at MGM Classic Cars. This is where you can find me. Click the red button so you can see what I got coming out tomorrow. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. We also offer delivery at this time. All deliveries are fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. Please text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. We're headed back to MGM Classic Cars, where we have over 100 hand-picked vintage classic muscle cars for you guys to look at. We have a full service department with 3 full-time mechanics. We go through our pre-delivery inspection reports and make sure everything is what we're telling you that it is. No surprises. So my number is area code 847-848-1850. Please text me your zip and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching mgmclassiccars.com.